Your family motorhome is equipped with an award-winning design which enables you to utilize the part of the bathroom as a living area. So if you don't want to have a shower, then you can extend your living space. If you rotate this door like this, just carefully, and then that's your extended space. It just makes cooking easier, and you can just pass by easier here as well. But if you want to have a shower, the first thing you need to do is to remove the shower tray cover by lifting it up and just putting it somewhere safe on the side. Make sure that the drains are not blocked, and make sure that the motorhome is leveled. If you're not leveled and starts to have a shower, then the water may flood the motorhome. So now you can turn around, step in, and just close the door this way. If you would like to have a shower, use the shower head by pulling it out from there. So that's the shower head. It attaches up to here, and then you can turn on the tap by lifting up this lever there. You would also need to cover and protect the furniture in this area here by moving this along, and there is a little window here which you can use to feed through the shower head, and it also enables you to reach out to the tap. Once you finish showering, I'll just do it this way so you can see. You just feed back the hose, shower hose, push this back in place, and that's it. Using your shower skylight, if you would like to open the skylight, you just need to make sure that this lock button is pushed towards the unlock position, which is in this case is towards the front of the motorhome, as you can see, and then you can rotate this knob here and it will open the skylight. It is extremely important not to leave this open whilst you're driving. It will fly off and break off, and also make sure that it's closed if you are in a place where it's really windy outside, because the wind can break this off as well. Especially important in the Highlands in Scotland.